Hello and welcome to the Natural Nature documentary for all naturalists that are interested in nature. Today we are exploring the grandmother garden. Oh! What a nice place it is in the grandmother garden. So many adventures for us to explore. I can't believe that we're doing this. Anyways, oh, I think I might see a cling. This cling is one of the very, very many animals that you might see in the grandmother garden. I think it would be a good thing if we were to wait just right here because there's a very special animal coming our way. Oh, I think here he comes. That's the bog. You might think that he's cute and cuddly, but when they need food, they attack. They'll do anything that they can to get their food. Yum! Get rid away. And when they're done, they howl and howl even louder and louder and louder for all the night to hear the pride of the bog. Yes, the bog it is. They yowl at the moon. Yes, they do. And up next, you can see this extremely rare species. It's so rare that it doesn't even have a name. And it's also very, 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 very extremely claustrophobic. And so, if you were to ever keep it in a house, it would rampage through it. That's why they're so rare, because you can never ever spot one, even with the own human eye. That's why I've gone on a hunt, as you can see. And now I am interviewing the caretakers. So, you've been working here. You're the caretaker, yes? Yeah. And so I have to ask you a few questions for this thing. So, how long have you been working here?
Days.
Also, what is your favorite animal here that you take care of?
The bog.
Why do you like the bog?
Because it's cute and nice.
So, the last question that I'm going to be asking you is, how much do you like to work here? I mean, So do you really like to work here?
Yeah.
That's all from Mr. Ballhead, and thank you for interviewing me. Have a nice day, Mr. Ballhead. You have a few balls on this hat, right? Mr. Ball Hat. So here we have Professor Jane E. And she studies zoology. So let's say, how long have you been studying zoology?
112 years.
So how old are you?
115.
Ah. So you started when you were
3.
3. Ah. You've been on this. You've been here a long time.
Yep.
So, what do you know about that Templeton right here? Templeton, the hog.
Well, unfortunately, Templeton's mother loves flowers. And the flowers belong to humans who also love them.
Ah.
The pig family was removed and brought to this zoo.
Ah. Sad.
Wow. Ooh, the peacock. There's a peacock walking around, huh? And do you see the donkeys over there? Donkeys, yeah.
And so, thank you for the interview.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, sorry. Thank you so much for your time.
And I'll see you later.
Okay.
Talk loud here, I don't understand you.
Yes. So the first question is, how long have you had that garden?
How long have I had that garden? Oh, maybe 40 years.
What is your favorite plant that you've grown in that garden?
Well, I expect the roses.
Which roses? The white ones or the white ones or the red ones?
Well, the white one that's up on the hill is the prettiest, and the others are, while they're red, they were taken from that.
For an
No, they're
experiment?
red. There's some, I can't remember. I think they are red. They are all red because the ones we transported from them were red. Okay.
Do you like your garden?
I like to be out in it, and I like to see the flowers, and it gives me a good excuse to be outdoors rather than in the house.
And that's all for the interview. Thank you.
Pardon?
That's all for the interview. Thank you.
Oh, okay. You're very welcome. Oh, I went with the wrong angle.
I am so grateful that I did this expedition. Without looking at the wonders of life, I wouldn't be here. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to the Natural Nature documentary for all naturalists that are interested in nature. Today we are exploring the Grandmother Garden. Oh! What a nice place it is in the Grandmother Garden. So many adventures for us to explore. I can't believe that we're doing this. Anyways, oh, I think I might see a cling. This cling is one of the very, very many animals that you might see in the Grandmother Garden. I think it would be a good thing if we were to wait just right here because there's a very special animal coming our way. Oh, I think here he comes. That's the bog. You might think that he's cute and cuddly, but when they need food, they attack. They'll do anything that they can to get their food. And when they're done, they howl and howl even louder, louder, and louder for all the night to hear the pride of the bog. Yes, the bog it is. They yowl at the moon. Yes, they do. And up next, you can see this extremely rare species. It's so rare that it doesn't even have a name. And it's also very, 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 very extremely claustrophobic. And so, if you were to ever keep it in a house, it would rampage through it. That's why they're so rare, because you can never ever spot one, even with the own human eye. That's why I've gone on a hunt, as you can see.